Dr. William Harris, with over 30 years in midlife and senior health, addresses a common concern: the gradual decline in physical and mental vitality experienced by many men over 50. Activities like brisk walking, lifting, or maintaining mental sharpness can become more taxing. Dr. Harris emphasizes that the human body, even after 50, 60, or 70, retains the capacity to recover with the right support. He proposes that strong medications or hormone replacement therapy are not always necessary. Instead, understanding and nourishing the body through simple, natural means can be highly effective. This presentation introduces a blend of 7 natural ingredients, refined through clinical experience and research, designed to gradually restore muscle strength, reactivate natural testosterone and libido, reduce inflammation, enhance memory, rebuild overall energy sustainably. The 7-ingredient natural blend, 1 spoonful a day. Ingredient 1. Peruvian maca root. Grown in the Andes, maca root is revered as a fountain of youth from the earth. It's an adaptogen, helping the body adjust its metabolic and hormonal centers. For men, supports the body's natural testosterone production, helping regulate male hormones without the disruption of synthetic alternatives. For women, post-menopause, can help rebalance estrogen levels, improve mood, and restore a sense of connection to one's body. Users often report feeling more alive, as if a system running on low gear has received the right fuel. Ingredient 2. Ginger powder. More than a kitchen spice, ginger is a biological treasure. Its active compounds, gingerols, act as anti-inflammatory agents. Action: gingerols target silent chronic inflammation in tissues, joints, and nerve cells. Broad effects: reduces inflammation in blood vessels, nerves, and the brain, potentially improving mood, sleep, and concentration. Dr. Harris notes personal experience with ginger alleviating knee pain. Ingredient 3. Pure turmeric powder with curcumin. A heavily studied natural compound, pure, unadulterated turmeric, is key. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory. Mechanism: curcumin acts like a central inflammation control switch, interrupting inflammatory signals at the cellular level, joints, gut, blood vessels, brain tissue. Benefits: works by supporting the body's return to natural balance, leading to reduced pain, clearer thinking, easier movement, and deeper sleep. Ingredient 4. Pure cinnamon powder. Often associated with pastries, pure cinnamon powder is a powerful ally for metabolic health, especially after 50. Action: helps stabilize blood sugar by making cells more responsive to insulin, allowing glucose, energy, to enter cells effectively. Benefits: promotes steadier energy levels, clearer mind, reduced sugar cravings, and supports weight management and diabetes risk reduction. It's a gatekeeper of your metabolic system. Ingredient 5. Pure cocoa powder. Unsweetened pure cocoa powder, not hot chocolate mix, is rich in flavanols. Action: flavanols improve blood flow to the brain, can slow neurological aging, and protect brain cells from oxidative damage. Cocoa helps dilate capillaries, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery. Other compounds: contains theobromine, gentler mental alertness than caffeine, and tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, the happiness hormone. The result can be a brighter mind and lifted mood. Ingredient 6. Pure creatine. Often misunderstood as only for young athletes, creatine is highly beneficial for individuals over 50. Mechanism: a natural molecule in the body, primarily in muscle and brain. Creatine rapidly regenerates ATP, cellular energy. Natural stores decline with age. Benefits: at per day, can increase muscle strength, up to 15% in 12 weeks, enhance cognitive function, support bone density, and boost heart energy storage. It recharges muscle and nerve cells. Ingredient 7. Ashwagandha. This powerful adaptogenic herb helps the body cope with stress, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances. Action: lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, which is linked to insomnia, visceral fat gain, sexual hormone imbalance, and weakened immunity. Mechanism: calms the nervous system, slows heartbeat, deepens sleep, and allows hormones, testosterone, estrogen, DHEA, to re-regulate naturally. Specific benefits. Studies note its ability to increase testosterone and sperm quality in men and support mood and libido in women approaching menopause. Ashwagandha acts as a harmonizer, allowing all biological systems to operate cohesively. How to prepare and use the mixture. Preparation. In a clean, dry bowl, combine the following powders. Maca root powder, 1:1. 5 tablespoons ginger powder, 1:1. 5 tablespoons pure turmeric powder, 1:1. 5 tablespoons pure cinnamon powder, 1:1. 5 tablespoons pure cocoa powder, 1:1. 5 tablespoons ashwagandha powder, 1:1. 5 tablespoons pure creatine. Monohydrate. Approximately 1 teaspoon until evenly combined. 5 grams. Transfer to an airtight glass jar and store in the refrigerator. Prepare batches to last about 3 to 5 days to maintain freshness and biological activity. Usage. Take 1 tablespoon of the blend every morning after waking up and before your first full meal. Mix it with warm water, lemon water, vitamin C and lemon can help curcumin absorption, nut milk, or sprinkle over unsweetened yogurt. The cocoa and cinnamon help make it palatable. Consistency is key for biological processes and recovery. 3. Expected benefits over time. First week. Often, a subtle mental relief is noticed first. Sleep may become more consistent and morning fatigue may lessen. Mood might feel slightly lighter. Second week. Chronic discomfort, e.g., your knees, lower back, shoulders, may start to ease with increased flexibility. Movement like climbing stairs or getting up from chairs can feel easier. Mental fog may begin to lift, leading to clearer alertness. End of first month, with consistency. A noticeable return of strength, not youthful exuberance, but steadiness, control, and real power. This can manifest as a firmer grip, greater endurance, and a quiet resurgence of vitality and desire to live fully. The aim is not to reverse aging, but to reclaim vitality by providing the body with what it needs, naturally and consistently. This 7-ingredient blend, maca, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, cocoa, creatine, and ashwagandha, offers a holistic approach to supporting the body's natural recovery processes after 50. By nourishing your biological foundation, you can work towards restoring energy, strength, memory, and emotional well-being. The journey to feeling better is steady and natural, awakening vitality from within. If you find this information valuable, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Supporting your body's health is a worthwhile endeavor.